Hi all, so I got this package. Don't know what it is. Aha. Okay, so this should fit to these sunglasses, hopefully, because it should fit. And now I'm curious how difficult it is to replace this. And let's see. I was not sure about this plastic, and probably need to disassemble them. And I think you can do it with a simple screwdriver. Just push it, but to what side? No, it must go this way. Whoa. I thought it would be easier. Let's try again. You just push it like this. So why this side is not so easy to do, I have no idea. Yeah, because it is stuck over the years probably. And now next thing to do is to put the new one, of course. Now how to do it? I think this should be on this side, so probably I will start. Yeah, you just push it, very easy. And then you have a rubber. You see there is a space here between the two rubbers, so you just need to probably press, yeah, and it should fit in. On the edge it's a little tricky, so on this side maybe I will try to end from the edge, or the edge at the end. I have no idea what is the best way. I'm just trying. As you can see, maybe can use a screwdriver to help it out. Yeah. The last part is not easy, so maybe I need to start from this side first. Yeah, I think that I should start from the other side, maybe. Yeah, to insert it. Yeah. This is a better way. You just insert it, you have a gap, and then it should go all the way. Yeah, maybe need to put a Vaseline or something to make it easier. Okay, by the way, do you see there is additional plastic here that I don't see here? So maybe I can remove it out from this part and insert it to the new part, but maybe later. So the best way I find to do it now with you is to start from the gap. You have a gap here, so you start from the gap and then you just pull it to the end. And the other side, yeah, on this side it's much easier, and then at the end you just press it. Yeah, do you see? Like new. Just need to see, to do what I do with this, with the black plastic. Maybe I will be able to take it out. I will try to use a knife maybe, because it's very thin, and I'm searching for the correct tools. Yeah, you can take it out. Where did it flew? Gone away with the wind? I didn't see it. It's here. It's here. Okay, so I will try to put it. I think I broke one of the sides, but let's try. You can push it inside, but yeah, you can do it. I broke one of there are two plastic. Okay, now I know how to do it. I think so. You just need to push them and it will go out. Yeah. And this one also broke. Why? Maybe it is not broke. Yeah, it goes out. Okay, so maybe after it happened, you can glue it, because I think it's not stuck very well anyway. This is just a plastic, you don't really need it. You can glue it with a super glue or maybe epoxy. Super glue maybe is not good, and that's all. So you see, sunglasses, about I think 10 years I replaced the lenses, and now replace this rubber that after many years, it's become very sticky and ugly, and it is like a brand new sunglasses. That's all. Thank you and bye.